Here's to Auckland, here's to the Ferns, here's to the girls.
What is it with these Sheilas drinking beer?
Ooh, I don't think they should drink wine because it'd be bloody dangerous if they did that. So beer's probably a good option.
I don't know who's singing the Kiwi anthem this time. Does anyone know? Kiwi anthem this time? No. There's hopefully someone that can sing for a change. Maybe Tamaiti.
It's not really about the netball because there's a minute 30 left in this game and you haven't looked at it once.
No, we have been looking at it. No, we have been looking at it.
And the score is?
55. 76-19.
Probably like 20 goals ago.
And 4 years ago, this was the girls at the last Netball World Champs in Jamaica, where they fronted up in black and were feted by the locals as New Zealand B.
We come back laughing about it, and it took us 4 years to get over Jamaica, and thank God for another World Cup.
And while these worlds aren't as far away or as expensive as the Caribbean, dirty old West Auckland.
West Auckland, well, the Westies are always good. They're good value. I'm sure we'll show them a thing or two.
There's still been the endless fundraising needed to make it happen.
We pick up rubbish over the Winter Festival here in Queenstown, which always is a bit of humour. It's always a bloody mess, but it's always a bit of humour. And we waitress.
And they churn out these southern delicacies, cheese rolls, by the truckload. How many of these have you made over the years?
Well over 5,000 dozen.
5,000 dozen cheese rolls.
Everyone knows about the Space 8 cheese rolls.
What do you think she might bring you back from Auckland?
A lollipop.
So with shopping orders in hand, our girls head for Invercargill. And a charter flight full of other passionate southern belles.
Have an awesome trip.
Oh, it's so.
It's just sensational. It's Southland. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else in the country, but guaranteed every time down here a winner.
Why?
That's a great question. I think, rugby's strong down here as well, but, we're never top of the shop, so people were searching for something that we could actually win at, and when this thing came along, they just all jumped on board.
Is it slightly cocky only to be going for the final rounds? You know what happened with the All Blacks?
Oh, yeah, but we're out there to prove that there's life after rugby.
5 of the 7 of us that played together in 1960 and 61 are on the plane going to Auckland today.
And you're all celebrating your 40th birthdays together.
That's it. Yes, exactly. Exactly.
What do I really, really want? A drink!
And so the south meets the north. It's here where netball dreams can be made.
It's not all about the drinking, but I tell you what, we'll celebrate when the girls win.
And where little presents for little people at home can be found. If she brought you a lollipop, you'd be a happy girl.
Yeah.
Will West Auckland be the same after you've been involved?
No, they'll be talking about us for a long time. Believe you me.
Sparkling wine on a domestic flight, those were the days. Well, of course, the netball starts getting real serious real soon. In fact, in just a couple of minutes, live here on One. Our last chance for a trophy. Go the Silver Ferns. That's New Zealand, close up.